How to say, I need a doctor. Potrzebuję lekarza. Potrzebuję lekarza. So it's two words. Let's break them down. Po-trze, the RZ makes sort of a zh sound, so it's poe-trze-boo-yea. The J's sound like Y's, and then the E with an accent is an eowlm, so it's yeowlm, yeowlm. Po-trze-boo-yea. Po-trze-boo-yea. And then the second word, doctor, is lek-ahh-za. There's that RZ again. Lek-ahh-za. Potrzebuję lekarza. Potrzebuję lekarza. Go ahead. Tell me that you need a doctor. Great job. To say, I don't feel well. Nie czuję się dobrze. Nie czuję się dobrze. So, it breaks down like this. Nie, chu-yea, the CZ makes a ch sound. The J's are like Y's. And then the E has an accent, which makes it sound like eowlm. So it's yeowlm. So chu-yea. Chu-yea. Shyea. There's that E accent again. Shyea. Doe-brze. RZ is zh. Doe-brze. Nie czuję się dobrze. Nie czuję się dobrze. Go ahead, you try. Fantastic. To say, I need to go to the hospital, you say, muszę iść do szpitala. Muszę iść do szpitala. So, muszę, SZ is a sh sound, and it's eowlm, the E with the accent at the end. So it's muszę iść. This one's a little trickier, but it's not bad. The S with the accent on top is a sh sound, and then the C with the accent is a ch sound. So you just combine the two. Sh, sh, ch. So the word is iść. Iść. Do. SZ is sh. Szpitala. Szpitala. Muszę iść do szpitala. Go ahead, you give it a try. Very good. To say to somebody, my blood type is, you say, moja grupa krwi jest. Moja grupa krwi jest. So, the J in the first word sounds like a Y, so it's moja. Moja. Second word, grupa. Grupa. Moja grupa. Third word is krwi, which is blood. Krwi. Krwi. The W's in Polish sounds like V's, so krwi jest. Moja grupa krwi jest. Go ahead. Tell me your blood type. Very good. To say, I'm allergic to, you say, jestem uczulony na. Jestem uczulony na. So, let's break it down. Jestem. Jestem. Second word is uczulony. The CZ makes a ch sound, so it's uczulony. Uczulony na. Two. So, jestem uczulony na. Go ahead. Give it a try. Perfect. That's how you say, I need a doctor.